pictures as well. Some of those snowfall totals coming in today. Hampton picking up around 9 inches of snow. Isle of Wight County picking up around 9. Gloucester 10 inches. Same thing in Newport News, and nearly a foot in Yorktown, and 13 inches up in Cape Charles, up across the eastern shore. Here at the station, we picked up about 6 inches of snow, and some other totals around the region. Gatesville picking up 4 inches, 5 inches in Sunbury, and about a ½ inch in Collington, about 2 inches down in Knott's Island in North Carolina. Skies have started to clear. The precipitation is gone. Those clear skies will mean sunshine tomorrow, but still cold temperatures.